Okay, now looking up underneath your machine, you see it's a lot of different rods and things. So I'm going to do basically the same thing. Now I've lost my oil. I don't know where it went. Here it is. Okay, now you're just going to drop a little bit of oil in just different places where it turns. Again, anytime you see something that's going to move, that's where you can put a drop of oil in all these places that move a little bit. Now if you go take this machine to professional, they're most likely going to change these rubbers. I think they're okay right now, so I'm not going to worry about changing those for now. Okay. Lift the machine back up. Okay, now we have the top of the machine. See, we have all this stuff up here. Well, what you're going to do is basically the same thing after you've cleaned everything out. Now this part right here, this grease, if you have the grease sewing machine, it's not oil, it's sewing machine grease, specifically for sewing machines, that goes in that area. And so you don't have to do that, but maybe what, every 10 years or so. Now I'm going to put a drop of oil there. Put a drop of oil. I can see where I did that. Right here. Drop of oil right there. And maybe a little bit right in through there. And that's about it. That's about all I'm going to do. Okay. That line's right back up there. See, I'm kind of slow about stuff like this. Alright, that seems to be on pretty good. Take your top and line up those screws. It's the motor on this machine. I smell it smoking. So anyway, after you would have oiled the machine up, it would have sounded a whole lot better than this one, but this one apparently has a bad motor. And this is not the machine that I was requested to oil, but I had this one out cleaning it up since it was so filthy. I thought I'd go ahead and do this one, but anyway, that gives you an idea how to clean it. And let it run a little bit, because a lot of times these machines do gunk up, but this one I believe has a bad motor on it. Probably from being out in the weather, it's just whatever. So anyway, thanks for watching my video. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, like and share, and we'll see you next time. Bye.